to Dollywood. I showed him the bus that we went on. Look at the mountains. We went from one mountain state to the other mountain state. In my opinion, I still like West Virginia. Now getting back to our hotel. Definitely recommend it. Awesome. You get the breakfast over there at Reagan's pancake or House of Pancakes. You get that for free. It's around everything. I mean, the walk was maybe 5 minutes long. Free Krispy Kreme donuts. Pool open 24/7. Jeremy's still drinking soda. We are on our way back to the Alpine Coaster.
I survived the hot sauce. After about 30 minutes, it's finally gone. And it about made me throw up. I mean, reality. Call me a wimp, whatever you want to call me. It wasn't a natural hot. There's no way. They had to put some like synthetic chemical in it or something to make it extremely hot. Because I'm just telling you, it was ridiculous. I'm sure that's not the truth, but sounds good anyways.
But we are going to the Alpine Coaster at nighttime. So, like I said, Jeremy forgot his GoPro, but we'll have fun. So I told y'all we're going to tell you if it's better to go during the day or nighttime, and we will find out here in just a few minutes. It's going to be awesome to go at nighttime. Look at that. Let's hope there's no bears. Guess we'll see. Look at that. How awesome is that? Look. Wow. It's all the way on top of a huge mountain that just drops you. All the way at the top of the mountain. We're at the bonfire. Well, they have a bonfire every night, and we just came down here, got our drinks, and just gonna sit out here and listen to the music at the island. They're singing some reggae. That might be how it is, huh? I think. Yeah. We might have to make some s'mores while we're here. I want to get how pretty the hot tub is at nighttime, all the different colors.
It's freezing. I mean, it's not cold out here, it's crazy.
I know. Better look at the pool now that it's like 12:30 at night and nobody's in here, so it's a really good, nice sized pool. The hot tub's really awesome with the lights. That's where I stayed most of the evening. Yeah, it's real nice. Pool's heated. There's a baby pool right there. There's a fountain there, but they don't have it on today for some reason. Jeremy getting the stuff ready to go back to the room. Pumping out the beers. We're at Paula Deen's family kitchen. They brought us orange juice and that thing to wait on our food, and we got coffee. And
I'm not worried.
you like the orange juice, didn't you?
Yeah, it's definitely fresh squeezed.
It's very good. Got some coffee, and here's the menu we're doing, or I guess everybody does it. I guess you pick 3 of those, 2 of those, or 1 of those, and 2 of those per table, and it costs $14.99 per person, but you can get as much as you want. If you want more of something else, she said.
Yeah, you can't. You just can't take it home with you. It's you eat whatever you can eat here, and that's it.
Yeah. Looks good.
Yep.
Here's our breakfast. It's like a table full of food.
Oh yeah.
So just make our plates, and then whatever we need more, they'll get it. So.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. We're on our way back home to West Virginia. It was a fun trip. We're definitely going to come back, and definitely we'll stay at that same hotel we stayed at. It's called Arbors Inn, or Arbors Landing, something like that. But anyhow, it's right near the island. We walk there every time we went. We went this morning to Paula Deen's breakfast or family kitchen for breakfast, and it was so good. So everything we've done has been great. I don't really have anything to complain about that I can think of. Titanic was awesome. Dollywood was awesome. I don't know, really there's nothing I can really say. The only thing at the what is that? The thing you did yesterday?
Alpine coaster?
No, the
Hot sauce thing?
stuff.
Yeah, I can't remember what it's the name of the hot sauce salsa place.
Don't try the extreme one because Jeremy was.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
I thought I could handle it because I mean the step down from it wasn't too bad at all. Like I could have ate it like crazy, but I took one little teeny taste of that one stuff and it was just ridiculous.
I don't need hot sauce, so. But and the moonshine place is a Sunday and they close at 7, like the tasting part, and I guess to buy stuff. I guess you can still buy shirts because the place stayed open, but right at 7, even though we asked for a tasting, she said last call, if y'all want it, let me know. And we said we wanted to try it, and she just looked at us and just turned away. So that's another thing that might be. But we went there already the first day, and I wouldn't recommend trying the strongest one because it was nasty. And Jeremy said he tasted it the whole entire night.
I was burping it up all day. Ugh. Give me a headache too, I swear.
So, I don't know, but overall it was a great trip, and we're ready to get home to see our babies. And I've been looking at the camera all morning and all weekend and been checking on them, and they're doing good. And so we are on our way back to West Virginia. So see y'all later. Hey guys, happy Monday. We made it back home. We had a blast this weekend, as you can tell. Hope y'all had a blast watching it with us. And we love Tennessee. I mean, it's been a long time since we've been there, but every time we go, we have a blast. So hopefully we'll go sooner than later. But anyhow, I hope y'all enjoyed our trip as much as we did. And if y'all have any questions or if y'all plan to go, feel free to just ask in the comments below. I'll give you what I suggest, what I recommend, places to eat, things to do. So anything you want, just let me know, and I will give my honest opinion on how I think, they're rated. But anyhow, the best part of our trip, I would say, was the Smoky Mountain, the Alpine coaster. We both love that. And I told you we were going to say whether we like it better at night or day, and we definitely liked it better at night. It was a blast. I mean, you can go during the day, like we already said, and then come back and pay $8 more each, and then you can do that as many times as you want to, which we didn't know that, but you can go 5 times in one day if you want to. You just have to pay the extra $8. But I would definitely recommend that if you're going to. I know there's 2 of them, but we went to the Smoky Mountain. I think it's Smoky Mountain Alpine coaster, and it's rated better than the other one, which I haven't been to the other one, so I'm not sure. But that one has the lights on at night. I don't think the other one does, but I could be wrong. But we definitely would recommend our hotel, the Arbors Landing. It's right near everything. I mean, you could just see, we just would get up and walk. I mean, 24-hour swim times. I mean, there's not a lot of hotels that allow that, and we had a blast. I mean, I loved it. The only thing I can say I did not like about the hotel was the bathroom floor, like in the shower, it is rocks. So it does hurt your feet after a while, but it's not like pointy rocks, but it is rocks. You're actually standing on rocks, and I didn't really like that. I mean, they're glued in, of course, but it did hurt your feet after you were in there for a while. But other than that, I would definitely, I wouldn't hold that for the reason to not stay there, because we'll definitely be back, and we'll definitely stay at that hotel. Margaritaville Hotel would be nice too, but it's just really pricey unless you book ahead of time, and sometimes they'll have specials. So just if you're wanting to go there, it's right there at the island. I mean, so that's better place than where we were at if you're wanting to go to the island more than anything. But anyhow, here is some more of our pictures. So just watch it to the very end of this video, and hope y'all will enjoy those as well. And we will see y'all later. Bye. Yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention before I show our picture slideshow, but Paula Deen's Family Kitchen, definitely recommend that. I know I didn't tape a lot of stuff in there. I don't know why I didn't. I was just too worried about getting back to our hotel and checking out in time, but it is great. I mean, we walked right in. I know it gets really crowded at dinner time and probably lunchtime, because we've seen people sitting out at dinner time waiting. So, but they do have an hour. You can call ahead out an hour early, I think, but they said they can't guarantee you get a seat or anything, but I guess they might tell you whether or not it's packed or what. I'm not sure, but they don't take reservations, but they do that. But it is great. I mean, you have a bunch of choices on the menu to pick out. You pick out, like, I think 2, 1, and 3. I think it's like 2 like sides or something, and 1 meat, and for breakfast that is. But I'm not sure how the lunch and dinner, but I know you can find a menu online. But definitely would recommend that. It was great. I also bought my mom and sister some stuff. It's like a ooey gooey somethings. I don't know. They're cooks, I'm not, so I went and I bought them a couple things, and she was actually going to be there for the book signing at 4 o'clock that day, but we had to leave, so we didn't get to do that. But I would have loved to, because I mean, I don't ever watch really Paula Deen, but I like to meet anybody famous anyway. And I mean, it was great. Her food was great, awesome. So definitely would recommend that, going there. Of course, Margaritaville, we've already said that, but Paula Deen, her store is nice. I mean, that whole area is real nice. There's a lot of good, where you sit at, there's a lot of good scenery. It's clean, you can smell it. The waitresses are all nice. Everybody's nice there. So definitely try out Paula Deen's Family Kitchen. Well, here is the slideshow of our pictures. Talk to y'all later. Bye. I'm going to show you all what we got for my mom and sister at the Paula Deen store. I said we got them some, but I can't remember what it was. But this is what I got for my sister. It's ooey gooey butter cake mix, double chocolate. She likes making all that stuff, so thought that'd be good for her. Sorry, my nail polish. I just took my nail polish off, so I need to paint my nails in a minute. And this is what I got my mom. Ooey gooey heavenly fudge mix, because she likes to make fudge. And like I said, both of them are big Paula Deen fans, so I think they'll like it. I got it from my mom and sister because they house sit and dog sit, cat sit, and fishy sit while we're on vacations, but and take our trips. But that's what we got them, so I'll let you know when they make it if it's really good, but I know it will be. Oh, here's the picture slideshow time. Yay!
Yeah.